Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn to Grow, Not to Know. So many children have doubts or difficulties regarding the movements of the earth. They actually don't understand what is the difference between the two movements, that is rotation and revolution of the earth. So I thought I should make video on this topic. Let's start with the rotation and revolution. With few examples, we'll understand actually what is rotation of the earth and what is the revolution of the earth. In our previous video, we had learned that earth rotates or spins around its own axis, that is imaginary vertical axis, and it is tilted at 23.5 degree, right? And this axis is important because the earth movements depend on it. So let's start two important movements of the earth, that is rotation and revolution of the earth. Now rotation and revolution are directly affected by the earth's axis. The two movements of the earth create variation in its temperature, weather and seasons. What do you mean by rotation? Rotation occurs when something turns or spins around a point located at its center. So this fidget spinner is rotating around a point located at its center, right? This is called as rotation. It is not changing its place, but it is rotating on the same place or spinning on the same place. This spinning top is rotating or spinning around its own axis around a point located at its center. Here this girl is also rotating or spinning around a point located at its center, not changing the place but rotating on the same place on its vertical axis. Now rotation of the earth. See, earth has an imaginary axis that passes vertically, we know that, through the center of the earth, joining the north pole to south pole. This is the imaginary axis. Now earth rotates from west to east direction, that is also called as anti-clockwise direction. It takes 24 hours for the earth to make one complete spin or rotation on its axis. Okay, so it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So this is called as rotation of the earth on imaginary axis. Let's see what is revolution. Now revolution occurs when an object moves or circles around another object. See here, this is the ball, that is the white ball, and this yellow ball is revolving around this white ball at the center, and this is called as revolution of the ball, this yellow ball. Okay, so revolution occurs when an object moves or circles around another object in an orbital path or elliptical orbit. What do you mean by elliptical orbit? Elliptical orbit means the oval path, that is called as elliptical orbit. So our earth also revolve around the sun in the elliptical orbit. Let's see the revolution of the earth. Now we know that our all planets revolve around the sun. So our earth also revolve around the sun. And here this smaller ball, that is the moon. Moon revolve around the earth. This is the revolution of the earth around the sun. Now it takes 365 days plus 6 hours to complete one revolution. Okay, to complete one revolution it takes 365 days plus 6 hours, and this revolution also from west to east direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. So this was about the revolution of the earth, and this is called as rotation of the earth. Here place is not changed, on the same place it's rotating, and here the place change, revolve around the sun. At the center sun is there and it is revolving around the sun. So this is called as revolution. Here place is changed, right? So I hope all of you have understood this concepts nicely. Rotation and revolution of the earth. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Learn to grow, not to know. Thank you.